chapter, which page are you at? You are using this book, right? Which page are you at? Or which chapter are you at?
This book.
You're using that?
Huh?
You're using this, right, for your school?
Yeah.
So which page are you at?
We haven't start the workbook. We only do the textbook.
Only the textbook. So which chapter are you at?
Exercise 2.4.
2.4. Wow. Okay, 2.4. Still real numbers. So you have any issues with that? Those, Rahana, turn on your video. You have any issues with those questions?
Some of the bracket question.
Bracket question. Okay. Rahana, what about you, Rahana? You have any issues not in maths? I cannot see you. Rahana, why are you so? I cannot see you. Your camera is not showing anything. I can see your name and then the forehead. Why you don't want to show yourself to me? Okay, so are you? How are you? How's your maths? Is it good or not? Rahana, Rahana, I cannot see. I don't know what you are saying. I cannot hear you. Hello, hello. I think I record this part for her mom. So this is her mom. Let me see. How do I record this? Rahana, are you there? She got no answer. Well, okay, come, Zahira is scattering. Okay, come, we're going to start now. And
I couldn't hear you, Cho.
Couldn't hear me. Okay, so how are you in maths now in school?
Okay, my teacher never came for the whole week, so I don't understand.
Huh? Teacher didn't come for whole week?
Because the father died, then he never come.
Oh, then you all didn't do any maths?
A little bit only, but I don't understand.
You still understand?
I don't.
So which part you don't understand actually?
Rational numbers.
Rational number, okay. All right, we can go through a little bit of that. What about Zahira? Are there any topics you don't understand in school? What are you going through, Zahira?
Period.
Zahira, are you there, Zahira? Or are you still in a bus on the way back? Okay, but anyway, all right, here we go. For your understanding, what is rational numbers? Rational comes from the word logical. If you're logical means you are rational. All right. So any rational number can be represented on the number line. So what's a number line? You know what a number line is. So now let's say I put the number line at that 0, and then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then -1, -2, -3. So we talk about rational numbers. Okay, rational means logical. Okay, so any number if we put down here, let's say it's half. So this is -half. This is a rational number. Okay, let's say number 2 is also a rational number. So there's another word called integers. Hayan, what's in integer? Integer, what's integer? Or Rahana or Zahira is not there. Anyone know what's integer?
Positive, negative.
Positive, negative, whole numbers. All right, whole numbers. So there's rational, there's also irrational. So what is an example of an irrational number? Okay, you have your calculator with you? You have? Don't have. Get a calculator, get your calculator. Then you have a calculator. What do you mean never bring? It's at home. You're at home.
I'm at my grandma's house.
Oh, okay. All right, for those with calculator, here you have calculator. Zahira, you have a calculator, but I need to bring yourself also. Now, where are you in the bus?
Sure.
Yes. You take, here we go. Watch, Zahira and Hayan, your
rational number is...
Yeah, it's logical now.
It's decimal.
Yeah, can be decimal. Let's say 3 minus, okay, let's say down here, 0.21. Possible? So now, let us try now. You take your calculator, you know the square root sign, right? You put now -4. What's the answer, Hayan? Hayan and Zahira. Zahira, don't cry.
It says math error.
What?
It says math error.
Math error. Error. So math error. So that means you cannot, but I can write this number. I can write square root of negative, but there's no such thing. What do you mean no such thing? I cannot show it on a number line. Why? Because square root means same number times itself. So let's say 2 times 2. I can get 4. 2 times minus 2, then I get minus 4. But it's different number. 2 and minus 2 is different number. We are supposed to get the same number. So this square root means same number times itself cannot get. You say 2 times 2 is positive 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is also positive 4. So how to get negative number? Cannot. So this is not irrational number. Do you get it? So there are some numbers called recurring numbers like 1.323, 323, 323. How are you going to represent it here? 1.3, no, they say 3232. Never ending numbers sometimes cannot be represented. But there are some repeating numbers that can be represented as 0.3, let's see, 0.33333, you can. This is 1/3. So 1/3, they say I can divide the parts out here into 3 parts. This one is 1/3. I can show. So some numbers you can, those numbers you cannot put on the number line, it means it's not a rational number, irrational number. How are we, Rahana, do you understand? The worst thing she says, I've not been listening to you. Okay, all right, never mind. What else, Hayan? What are you unsure? Zahira, what are you unsure? Tell me, we settle all the issues you are facing in school. What is it? All sure? Zahira? All sure? Serious? Not this. Rahana, all sure? Your teacher didn't come for 1 week, you know? Okay, maybe we just start the thing. All right, here we go. If you have any questions, please. Okay, we are just going to jump a little bit into algebra, and then we'll go back to the numbers and real numbers and all that. Okay, so here we go. So can you try very simple stuff? Okay, you try 1A, C, and E. Sorry?
This page.
Oh, which page? Okay, if you turn to worksheet 4A. 4A, this is page number 4A. Worksheet. This is page number 65, I think. Is it 65? No. 60. 59.
59.
We try this one, this one on here, this one. Or we try all of them because you need to know all this algebra. All these things must be chicken for you. Okay, so you need to focus. Sometimes you find you miss one lesson this year, habis, you get lost. Okay, so try your best not to miss. If you miss, you must make sure you attend the makeup. And more important, you must focus during the makeup. Hira, okay not Hira? You just came back from school, Zahira. How are you doing in school, Zahira? Out of 10, how are you doing? 0. 8. Oh, alhamdulillah, very good. Better than last year. All right, we try this one. And we are going to go through one by one. Okay, you try, okay? Rahana, believe in yourself, Rahana. Okay, whether you're in your grandma's house or your own house. But this year, I'm more confident, you. I can see with the hair and whatnot. Okay. Okay, we're going to go through in 2 minutes time. You try first, You try. Hey, you cannot use calculator for this one, No calculator. You know what to do, Nahan?
I will use it.
What? Not using calculator.
No, I just started.
I just got my CCA result.
Oh, CCA result. What's your CCA result? What do you get?
Done.
You're in a what?
Modern dance.
I cannot hear lah. What you say?
Modern dance.
Modern dance.
Then my dad scold me because I got inside that.
You choose that?
I put that as my second option. Then he scold me.
What's your first option?
Softball.
Zahira, what's your CCA? No CCA?
For MPCC.
Oh yeah, Miss Hayan.
Youth Flying Club.
What club?
Youth Flying Club.
Youth Flying Club.
Then my dad got criticized.
It's okay lah. But dance, yeah, it's okay. I was a dancer at your age, at Sec 2. I broke my hand doing break dance. Okay, what is that? Kuih. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we give you 1 more minute lah. 1 more minute. Try your best. Hey, you finish your hand.
I just started. I will learn.
Oh, okay. Haven't done.
I haven't learned yet. I just started.
Don't worry, all of them also haven't done. We try. Use your P6 knowledge for that. Okay, we give you another 2 minutes. You try, see what you answer. Zahira, finish it, Zahira. You finish E? Have you finished E?
So what does XY mean?
X times Y. If you see both of them together, AB means A times B.
I still don't understand.
No problem. Okay. All right, we go through again. Zahira is busy at work. Okay, Zahira, come. Zahira, give me the answer for A. What's the answer for A?
4x plus 5y.
Okay, Hain, you agree this is the answer for A? Okay, yes, Raihana agree also? We cannot combine them. Yeah, so this is the correct answer. This is like 4 elephant, 5 plus 5 papaya. You cannot mix them up. Even you mash the papaya on the elephant also, you cannot be one. So it's correct. B, Hayan, what's answer? Okay, we ask Raihana. Raihana, don't put all the question mark there. What's the answer for B, Raihana? Try. Or don't know. From Y. It's like this, Raihana, look. Something minus something. Which one is in front? Which one is in front, Raihana? Which one is in front? Something minus something.
3.
3x. Okay. From. Let's say I say subtract 3 from 10. Not the big number. Don't go for big number. Don't go for big number. That primary school at time. Down here, see from 10y. From means 10y must be in front. Okay, 10y must be in front of here. Just so happen it's a bigger number. Subtract 3x minus 3x. If they say subtract 10y from 3x, then 3x got to be in front. Look at this word, it's a keyword. This word tells you which number should be in front. This one must be in front. Okay, now we ask Hayan. What's the answer for C, Hayan? Don't, okay. So take number times number. So 2 times 8, what's the answer? 2 times, the product is times, right? 2 times 16. And then x, y times z. X, y, z. So what? The answer is x, y, z. Now what is this?
16 XYZ.
Yes. So now I give you an example. 2x times 3y. Let's try. Hayan, what's the answer? 2x times 3y. Number times number, Hayan. Number times number.
3 is 6.
6.
XY.
6XY.
Wow, yes. Okay, now we try Rahana. Okay, Rahana. 4a plus PE. Okay, fine. Plus 3E. Number times number, Rahana.
4a plus 3e.
No, sorry. Yeah, 4a plus 3e is correct. You're correct. Times, sorry. Times. Number times number.
12.
12. Let A times E.
b.
Just AE. Just put it like that. Okay, now we ask Zahira. A times P times, hold on. A times C times E. What's the answer? Just combine them. What's that? ACE, ACE. Now put 2A times 3C.
ACE.
Yeah, ACE, correct. Well done. Times 2E. Then take numbers. So 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 2, 12. Okay, not? Easy, not? Are you confused?
Yes.
No. Yes, confused. Okay, then you write down in your notebook, okay? Write down in your notebook something like this. We're going to do something like this. So what do you write in your notebook? Okay. A times B equals to AB. You combine them together. A divided by B equals to A over B. This is primary 6 one. You forgot already. A over B. Okay, then A plus B, you must leave it as A plus B. You cannot do anything. A minus B must leave it A minus B. So only these two you can combine. The rest you leave it the same. All right, only the two can be combined in case you cannot see. Can see. So now we try. Now we try. Okay, we have to go 3 questions because there's 3 of you. Let's try. 3. Okay, you do first. You don't tell me the answer yet. 3A times 4B. Well, write down your answer. Don't tell me the answer. 2x times 3y. 2a times b. All right, you try. Rahana can do. Zahira, very serious girl now. This year is very serious. Alhamdulillah lah, bagus ya. Tapi dengan kakak dia bully. Maybe lah. I don't know.
Okay, done.
Can or not? Hayan, where are you? Hayan, come back. Don't go far away, Hayan. Don't play in the dark. It's not good for you.
My exercise book.
Okay, get the exercise book. All right, have you gotten? Raihana, you gotten? Hello, Anika. Why are you doing having peace? Okay, Raihana, what's your answer, Raihana, for question 1? Raihana? Number times number, letter times letter.
12AB.
Good, 12AB. All right. We'll ask now Zahira. Number two. Number two. Number two.
Number 2 is mana dia? 6 times y.
Eh?
6xy.
6xy, yes. So don't put your x like this, right? I told you before, x I don't write like that. You must write it like this. Otherwise, xxx, people think you're x-rated. X-rated. Okay, now, down here now, we ask Mr. Hain, what's the answer?
2AB.
2AB, yes, well done. 2AB. Okay, now you try question C, so question D, E, and F. Okay, question, okay, go. Sorry. I give you a question, another question, now divide. We have not finished the practice. So 2AB is correct, huh? But why is it 2AB? I didn't explain. Huh? Down here, actually, there's a number in front of here. What is the number? Here, what is the number in front of here? What number is here?
1.
1. Yeah, I don't think it's 0. Huh? Rahana, down here there's 1, you know. That's why when you say A plus A, it's 2A. Why 2A? Because 1A plus 1A. So down here is actually 1, so 2 times 1. So when you see the letter there is no number, it means it's 1. All right, not 0. Huh? So now down here. Why it cannot be 0? Well, if let's say if B is 0.
Just now, is it B? Is it?
2AB.
Just now, is it B or 6?
2AB.
The
No, B. Okay, if you saw 6, never mind. If you saw 6, what's your answer? If this is 6, what's your answer, Zaira?
12A.
Not 12A, yes. Number times number, 12, and 12A lah. But if this one is, you see as B, 2 times 2AB. Now we go for divide. Once you can do this, you are able to do all stuff. Rahana, you with me now, your head is down. I'm a little bit worried if your head is down. This is question number 4. Question number 5. Notice it's a little bit different. It looks very different, but it's just a little bit different. 12A divided by 4, 12 divided by 4A, 12A divided by 4A. There's a difference. Okay, you got the answer already? Okay, we ask Raihana, what's the answer for the first one?
4x plus 5y.
No, this is divide, no?
Oh, I thought you were talking about the book.
No, number 4, 5, and 6, this one down here on the board.
Is
I
it
should have done this. I'm so sorry.
3A?
3A, okay, well done. Now, how to do this one? You just put 12A over 4. Now, number divide by number. Can divide by 4, you get 1. You divide by 4, you get 3. So, you're left with 3A. Congratulations. What about Zahira? Zahira, number 5. Zahira,
Oh, is it 3?
3.
No lah. Wrong lah, 3A.
3A. 3A same. You must write it as a fraction first. Write it as a fraction. 12 divided by 4.
4A.
So now divide. What do you get? 1, 3. So it's 3 over A.
3 over A. Oh.
Friend, 3 over A. Hayden, you get it?
1A.
All right, A is below now. Notice because below is A one. You just put it like a fraction, you can see. Hayden, what's your last answer? Hayden, this one. We do together. Hayden, we do together.
3A.
12. How much answer?
3A.
3A. Okay. 12A over 4A. A and A can cancel. Get 1, 1. A and A, because got A can cancel. A divided by A is 1. See, I'm not sure why. Okay. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1. X divided by X is 1. Rahana divided by Rahana, although she's running away, is also 1.
Actually,
All right. So now 12 divided by 3, you get 12 divided by 4 is 3. So the answer is 3. Okay, not? Here, okay, we give you another set of questions. All right.
So wait, I need to do something.
Now you can ask him, you put him on the video, I'll talk to him.
Wait, I need to do something. Wait.
Yeah.
So,
Who is that? What's his name? What's his name? What's his name? Tell me his name.
Ashrik.
Hello. Ashrik,
Say hello.
what are you going to learn about X and Y not? Okay. Okay, now your kakak got to study. All right. Can you go and get something from me in the
Kakak
kitchen?
want to study first, okay? Itu kakak play.
Kakak wants to study. 4x times 3x. We are getting a little bit more difficult. Huh? Be careful. We are getting a little bit more difficult. 4x.
Teacher, that one 4x times 3x.
Yes, 4x times 3x. Careful, careful. We try these two first lah. We try these two first. Cute cousin, eh? Is it your anak saudara or your cousin?
Cousin.
Okay.
Teacher, I want to see the screen.
Oh, sorry. Oh my, am I blocking? Can see screen? You cannot see. Can see, right? You
Is
cannot
the
see?
answer
Yes. Yes. What's that?
12x?
12x. Okay. Someone said 12x or 7. What about Hayan? What's your answer?
For 8, for 8 and
7. 7.
Answer 12x.
Yours also 12. What about Hayan? Hayan?
the same.
Okay. Now watch this, boys and girls and boy. 4 times 3 is 12. X times X is what? What is X times X? Rahana, X times X?
What?
Square. X times X is X square. What is X square? X square means X times X. Nah. If X cube means X times X times X. Okay? Hayan, what's the answer for question number 8?
0xyz.
0xyz. Once you say 0, 0xyz. You have forgotten the basic rule of mathematics. What is 8 divided by 8?
1.
Then you say 0.
1, sorry.
1 xyz. So 1 xyz is xyz lah. What about Raihana? What about you? What do you say, Miss Raihana?
IDK.
IDK. Okay, IDK. Now I do not know how she get all these letters when they're not there. What about Zahira? Zahira said XYZ. Okay, let us see. First of all, you are doing it all in your head. Okay, you're doing it in the head, so you cannot find. So let us first time.
Sure, IDK means I don't know.
I don't know. I know. Okay. IDK. All right. Now here we go. 4 times 2. Rahana, what is 4 times 2? Hannah, 4 times 2.
8.
8. X times Y.
X times Y equals to cube square. XY.
XY. Now you got to divide by 8.
0.
Not 0. 8 divided by 8 is what?
8 divided by 8 is 1.
1. So we put XY, 8XY over 8Z. So you cancel, you get 1. Cancel, you get 1. Your answer is XY over Z. Can see not? Can see here? I cancel. You put it as a fraction lah. Then you can see. Zahira can see. Hayan, okay, right, Hayan? All right. Okay. Now we try going back to this one. Can we try question D? Question D. Oh yeah. Sorry, yeah. I don't know. Suddenly came out. Question D. E and F don't need to do yet lah. E and F, I think we will. Okay, anyone got the answer?
For what question?
Question D.
For what question?
D.
B is
D for dog.
OD. 7x over 9yz.
7x over 9yz. Let's see whether she's correct. So she takes 7x divided by 9yz. So 7x divided by 9yz. So correct, I'll just put it like that. You've got nothing to cancel. Just leave it like that. Congratulations. Congratulations. I just want you to get a taste of it. All right. And then we are going to move on just a little bit. Let us get a taste of it. Let us now go through it. Hold on. Oh, yeah, all the things got mixed up. Okay, we are going to go into all that soon, into numbers here. But, okay, I tell you, you all have the book, right? Rahana, do you have the book? Don't have the book. Okay, never mind. Okay, so that's your slight introduction to algebra. Later, we'll come back to that. Now, we are going to go through page 49. Hold on, not yet 49. I think is 40. This one. No. Sorry. Ya Allah, where is it? Where is the mixed up now? 3B, 3A, I think. 3A. Now, this is rounding off. Hayan, have you done this in school already? Done?
No.
Not yet. Okay. So, Zahira, Anika, what is the meaning of integer? Zahira? Whole number. So this one is whole number. So can you run off the nearest whole number, please? A and B.
60.
60. Okay. 1%. Oh, page. This page is, what page is this? This is page. Sorry, this is page 45. Okay, Zahira, what's the answer for this one? First one, A. Page 45, huh? Raihana, what's the answer for this one? Round off the nearest whole number. Hayan, what's the answer?
41.
41? How you get 41? There's 50 here. What? Oh, dah lupa lah. Primary 6. Okay, Hayan, what's the answer for this one? A.
51, my B is 398.
Okay, so you, okay, don't forget.
A lot.
Sorry, now see, down here. If you have forgotten, 50 points. Okay, no need to talk about. Yes, you can't talk a lot. Okay, I won't call you that. Now down here, 50.7. So you want nearest whole number, you are looking at the ones. So look at the digit besides the one. If it's 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't add 1. If 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, add 1. This is 7, you must add 1. Add 1 where? Here. So become 51. Okay. Same thing for the next one. The next one is 398.4. All right, Zahira, as you can see, look at the ones down here. You are looking at the last whole number down here. Okay, and then look at the digit down here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, do not add. So the answer is 398. You must learn how to write this wavy equal sign. You can write it like that. Okay, or you can write it like that. Curve. Okay, this means it is approximately equals to. Okay, approximately equals to. So this either one. So you can say like that lah. This one is 50. Then this one down here, you can use the curve one if you want to like that. So it's like a wave. This one is 398. Yeah, I do not know whether you were taught this in school.
So the answer for the 50.7 to 50 is 51.
51, sorry. Did I put 51? That sounds like 51. Yeah. 51, yeah, you must plus 1. Thank you. Okay. Now we move on to the next few. Can you now can you see nearest 100? All this we are revising. Can you do 2AB, 3AB, please? 2AB, 3AB.
Is the answer for A 17139?
Sorry. Oh, you couldn't hear me. I was on mute. Sorry. Hey, what's the answer for the A?
4300.
Okay, so girls, please make sure if you are asking for 100, identify 100 ones, tens, hundreds. This is 100. Look at the one beside it down here. This is now more than 4. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You must plus 1. When you plus 1, it becomes 3 down here. The rest must become 0. Okay, get it, Raihana? Down here, the rest becomes 0. No more 7, 9, nothing. It's all becomes 0. Got 100 has 2 zeros. So this one now, right, Zahira, what's the answer for B? Zahira,
Yes.
what's the answer for B?
Must have decimal, is it? Right.
No. No decimal, must have just 2 zeros. If they say 100, nearest 100, your last 2 digits are 2 zeros. So what's the answer?
16160.
Yeah, that's enough. So 16, this is ones, tens, 100, right? So look at the digit beside it. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't add. So don't add, the rest becomes 0. 1600. Don't bother about the decimal point. Because remember, this skill in rounding off is a skill called, in Malay called agak-agak. Agak-agak berapa ratus Agak-agak berapa ratus. So ini 4300, 1600. That's what they're saying. You don't say 1600 dengan 50 sen. That's not agak-agak anymore. Agak-agak is roughly, right? So we move on to the next one now. One decimal place is the same, similar stuff. Which position is one decimal place, Mr. Hayen? One decimal place is which position? Hayen.
63.1.
No, but what position is it? What place is it? One decimal place. Okay, this one. Which digit is in the one decimal place?
1.
1. So it's in a tens place, right? It's 1 after the dot. So we look at the 8 and your answer is what? What's your answer here?
63.2.
63.1 or 2? 2. You have to plus 1. You have to look at the digit beside it. Okay, Rahana, now you do the next one, Rahana. Don't tell, Rahana. What's the one decimal place? This one, we want to stop down here. So now, must we plus or don't plus? Look at this digit.
Don't
Must,
plus.
So you get 956.0. In this case, you must put 0.0. Why? Because they want one decimal place. I should have showed you the screen. Again, you could. Next time, if I don't close that thing, please tell me so that you can see. Down here again, 63.184. You want one decimal place? One decimal place is here, right? So look at the digit beside. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1. So you plus 1. Once you plus 1, the rest disappears. Don't need to put 0. Don't say now. Just now we put 0. That is before the decimal place you must put. Let's say now you say 9, 1, 2. To the nearest 100. Let's say 1, 2, 100 or so. 9. You must put a 0, otherwise it become 9, you see. Then it doesn't make sense. Your agak-agak now, agak-agak berapa ratus? 900. Agak-agak berapa? $9. Doesn't make sense, you see. So this means you have to put, but now after the decimal place, you don't need to put. Why you want to put? You can get rid of the zeros, what? So just get rid. So you must stop at one decimal place. That's why down here, if they say one decimal place, you must show. Even if it's 0, you must show. Everyone okay or not? Are you all okay? Yes, sir? Okay, now we go back now. Okay, number 4 and number 5. Same skill, same skill. Even you don't understand what number 5 is saying, just try. Zahira, you okay, Zahira? You seem to be busy doing other stuff, Zahira. What are you doing? Okay. Very good, girl. Very good, girl. Okay, I understand. For you alone, so long I can see you in the video, my heart feels happy. Hayan, what's the answer for 4A?
22.05.
22.05, okay. 4B? No.
0.20.
Okay. 5, number 5A?
5A is 15.278.
All right, 5B?
5B is 3.00.
I cannot see STEM.
5B is 3.00.
3.00, okay. We'll ask one by one. Okay. Zahira, what's the answer for, I cannot ask Miss Hannah because she say she has to, cannot unmute. So never mind, we'll ask Zahira. What's the answer for 4A? What is your answer? Zahira.
22.05.
What about 4B?
Yeah.
4B?
Oh, 22.05.
What about 4B? 4B?
0.20.
0.20. Well done. So now I'm just going to show you how to do the working. If they ask you for 2 decimal places down, this is decimal place, right? 1 decimal, 2 decimal. Look at the number beside it. So 22.0. Or this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't plus 1. Just leave it like that. Congratulations. Don't forget to put like that. Or you can put it like that. Same thing. You want 2 decimal place. 1, 2. Look at the one over here. So it's 0. You plus 1. This one become 20. 20 lah. Correct lah. Congratulations. Congratulations. Now we go for the next one now. The next one. Zahira, what's the answer for 5A? Zahira, what's the answer for 5A?
15.278.
Okay, what's the answer for 5B?
3.001.
3.001. So Hayan say 5B is 3.00. Let's say what? Raihana, can I ask you or cannot?
0.001.
2100. Can. Rahana, what's the answer for 5A? You say you cannot unmute, then how you gonna that thing? Never mind lah. Can unmute, cannot lah. You're gonna write. No, my son like win, lose or draw. We are playing Pictionary here. Wah, sedap lah. Saya makan ice cream Oh, bestnya. Okay. 2785. Okay, let us see. Now they ask you, Zahira, Rahana, to the nearest 0.001. So there's 1, 2, 3. In other words, they're asking for 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So you must stop here. Look at the 4. 4, do you plus 1? No, you don't plus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't plus 1. So what's the answer? 15.278. You don't have, if you plus 1, you say 5. That's why you say 5. Where do you get a number from? You must look at the next number down here. Don't say parallax error. I got dyslexia. I always thought now, always look from here, but now I look at the 8. Cannot do that. Don't go and look at the wrong side, Zahira. Sorry, not Zahira. Rahana. Am I talking to Rahana? Is unhappy. Okay. So Rahana, what about this one, Rahana? The next one, what's your answer? So this one is 15.278. What's your answer for this next one? Okay, the other two got to wait for a while because we have a mute problem. She has muted herself because she dare not speak because her cousin will hear her voice and just like, okay, what's the answer? Let me see. No, I cannot see. 3 point, hey, don't take it away. 3, we want to the nearest 3 decimal place, okay? Not more than 3. 3.001010. Okay. All right, thank you very much. Now, the question is saying to the nearest 0.001. Rahana, look at this. Nearest 0.001. That means, Rahana, you must see here, you don't look around. To the nearest 0.001. That means it's 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Your answer got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How come so many lah? Hello. You're not, never mind. Don't need to focus on things. So 3 decimal places down here. 1, 2, 3. Look at the digit beside it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't plus 1. So it's 3.001. That's it. Do not know whether she's listening or not. She's doing very, very busy writing notes and whatnot. What did she write? Why you're angry for what? Why? Aduh, angry your own family. Okay, we try now. Now down here we try. Question 6 first. Question 7, you can do A and B. Don't do more than A and B. Questions 6, A and B, 7, A and B. 7 you have not learned yet, so I have to teach you. Okay. Rahana, don't destroy my this thing. I can see your name, Rahana. I don't know. Okay. How can you know when I'm explaining you're doing other things? Okay, come. We got to go through again, Rahana. Maybe for you, I will have a remedial class for you, special for you. Nearest 10,000. So first of all, you must know what is 10,000. You are going to ask in a moment. All right. First of all, we must, this is nearest 10,000, right? Oh, where is it? This is nearest 10,000, right? So we're going to ask how to identify the 10,000. Okay. Come, Rahana. Down here now, how to identify the 10,000? In order to do that, can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Which one is the 10,000 with a TH? Yes, this is 10,000 without TH. If TH is which one? Where is Rahana? It disappeared there. Okay, so we go 1 down here.
Is it the 9?
9. Okay, let us see. Yeah, this is 1. Then 10. Down here will be 10. Then 100. This one will be 100. Then 1,000. This one will be 1,000. Then it's 10,000. And you're correct. This is 9 or 10,000. So how many decimal place? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to look at the fifth one, must tell you, all right? So this is how to identify the place value. You need to know how to identify the place value. Always start with the ones. If you know ones, 10, 10, 100, 100, 1,000, 1,000, 10,000, 10,000, million, million, and so on, so forth. So now we will ask Miss Zahira.
Okay, 4 decimal place.
4 decimal place. So what's your answer for this? This one, 97.1325.
97.1326.
Hayan, you agree with this, Hayan? Alhamdulillah, you're smiling. Very good, Miss Rayana. Hayan, you agree? Hayan, you're lying down, Hayan. Hayan, is this correct or not?
Lying down on chair.
Okay. Oh, you lower down. Okay. Hayan, is this correct or not? Hayan, do you agree?
Yeah.
Hayan, what's the answer for the next one?
0.4061.
0.4061. Yeah, you look at the 8, then you plus 1 and stop there. Well done. Well done. Okay. If any of you don't understand, we got to have a little bit of remedial, but that means I got to spend more time. Can you try question 7A and 7B? 7A and 7B. Now, what is one significant figure? It's like this. I have to show you. I have to show you that you won't understand. So sorry, yeah. Now, if let's say I have 1, 2, 3. One significant figure is the first one. If the first one is like to the nearest 100 down here. So answer is 100. So first one down here, you look at the digit beside it, 100. Okay, Alhamdulillah, I'm so happy. You're happy, Hannah, but please focus. You are covering your own screen now. So this is one significant figure. Now let's say now down here is the number is 41307. They want one significant figure. Which digit are we looking at, Zahira? Is it the 7? Is it the 0? Is it the 3? Is it the 1? Or is it the 4? Zahira? Story.
4.
4. Yes. So one significant figure is always the first one. And all the rest must become 0. So now you look this one. Do you plus 1 or not? Must you plus 1, Zahira? Yes, no. Yeah. Must plus 1 or not?
No.
No. So you just copy the rest and no. Yes, no. Then the rest put 0, 0, 0, 0. So it'll be 40,000. Now we will ask Miss Raihana. So one significant figure is always the first one. Okay, Raihana, now you're unhappy. I ask you. Alamak, this girl, Okay, now we ask Hayan then. Hayan. Two significant figures. Sorry?
Nothing.
Okay. Hey, now let's say now 4, 8, 7, 4, 2, 6, 7, 5, 3. What's your answer here?
55.
Wait. Two significant figure. 2, not 1. Look at which number.
Then is
What's the answer?
49000000.
Good. So if two significant figure, you take the second one. Take the second one and look at the one beside it. And all the rest. Easy, yeah? Easy, okay? It's easy for you. So you try now. Okay?
Teacher.
Yes.
The number must have 4 decimal and 4 place, 4 number, is it?
No. Which one must have 4 number? Which one? Sorry, which one?
Like if for question number 4B, 7B is the answer only 504 or must put 0?
1500. You see, one significant figure, you look at the first one, the rest all become zero for whole number. For decimal, in a moment. Okay, for decimal, in a moment. You do 7A and 7B first.
500 and 4,000.
500 and 4,000. Hayan, do you agree to that?
Yes.
A is 4,000.
Okay, Rahana, I think so. You agree. So 4,000 and 500. Okay, do C and D now. Do C and D. All right, do C and D, and we are going to come to it in a moment. Think through. Think through.
Is the number 2 for decimal?
Okay, so yeah, this one 2.807. So you said answer is 2, is it? Is your answer 2, Miss Zahira?
No, I say
yeah,
no.
this number is 7C. You say it's 2807. This is, if you cannot see the number on the screen, this is the number. They want it to one significant figure.
So the one significant figure is number 2, is it?
Yeah, the number 2 the first one. One significant is always the first one.
So I can see my answer.
Okay, what's your answer?
For B, I got 500. Then for C, I got 3.000. Then for D, I got 0.30000.
Okay. So we're going to come to that in a moment. What about Raihana? Can you speak now? Cannot. Cannot. She will speak. Don't show me all the signs. Cannot just shake the head at the mind. I want to ask you then, but I'm just worried that you don't understand. Then I got to go to see a Bukit Batok. Zahira, what's your answer? C and D. Right now, write down your answer right now. You can even type and send me by chat. Here, your answer is not correct. Here and your answer both not correct. Both not correct. Can you try again? Remember, this rounding off is to make the aga-aga easier. Yes, Rahana, what's your answer?
C is 3.
D? What about D?
D is 0.3. I don't know. Is it correct?
Yeah,
All right.
I agree with my answer. I did it wrongly. I thought if you need to put 3 0.
Okay, so now the first one, we go first one. 2807. All right, and 0.3099. Okay, so now decimal is a little bit different. For the first one, 2.807, one significant figure, you look at the first one. Or the first one is 2, then look at the one beside it. Okay, no problem. You can add 1, become 3. And the answer is correct, 3. Well done. The next one, we have a problem. Why is it a problem? If we look at the first figure, is 0. Then you look, so this one, for decimal, remember, if the first digit is 0, then you must go to the second digit. This becomes your first one significant figure. It's here. I repeat, for decimal. For decimal, I'm going to show you now. You tell me now 0.3, 3.0. This A, this B, this is C. 0.003. 5, let's say. So now, one significant figure, how to do this one? You must see here. Now, for the first one significant figure, if it's 0 for decimal, don't look at this one. Look at this one. One significant figure. Then you plus out. Okay, this one becomes 0.4. This one, first one, not 0. Can use it. It becomes 3. This one is 0, 0, 0. Don't all this all is not first significant figure, one significant figure. This one is the one, this one. And look now here, O must plus 1. So this becomes 0.004. I repeat, Zahira, are you listening? For decimals, if the beginning is 0, you don't consider it as one decimal place. You go to the next one. If it's not a 0, then you count. Okay? So in this case, C, what the one significant figure down here not counted, not counted, not counted. Only here, then you count for decimal. But be careful, we're going to ask you now. This next one. Okay, let's see now. D 1.000007. One decimal place, you look down here. This one is not 0. You already count this already. Counted. Even for 2 decimal places. Once the first one is counted, 2 significant figures. This is also counted together because the first one is okay, is okay. So now let us try the next few. Right? So you'll get it, all right? This one you get. You try now for question. Okay, so this one, this one, 0, this one will be 0.3. Correct. Zahira, are you there, Zahira? Hira, are you listening? What are you doing? Focus, focus, focus. What is that you're doing? Try number 8 now. Do A, B, C, D. Apalah, you all. I got to call out, call out. The only person I'm not calling out is who? Myself lah. Raihana can follow or not? I do not know. Your head is down. I do not know what you're doing, Raihana. Okay, you just happy. Aduh. And then angry. Aduh. And then upset. And then no feeling at all. So what is it? You understand or not? Whether you're happy, sad, angry, man, do you understand? No feeling at all. No feeling. Which means she don't know whether she like that. Oh, understand 50-50. Well, funny, huh? Okay, Hayden, you finished already?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the answer for 7A? 8A?
71,000.
B?
240.
C?
20.
D?
0.081.
What about Zahira? A? Zahira? A? 8A? Zahira just looking at me. Zahira, are you there? You're frozen.
What are we doing?
Question 8. Question 8. Okay, come. Question 8. Can you see the screen? Okay, now you just tell me. Never mind, no need to do on the paper. Just tell me. No, oh, you still doing? Never mind. Just tell me straight. 71,448. 2 significant figures. What's your answer?
21,000.
71,000. Good. Raihana, 239. What's your answer?
240.
240, right? Go first and second. Look at it. Add 1. 240. Raihana, what was 8C? 2 significant figures.
19.51.
What's your answer? 19.51. Hello, there is first one already is 1. So it's possible. And then 2, so become, this 2 is possible. What? Look at the 5. 5 plus 1 becomes 20. 20, not 2, 20. Okay, because your sound becomes robot. Now this one is an interesting one. You can see. Okay. So the first one, you for D, first one 0, you don't count. Second one, you don't count. Third one, the third digit here, you count. This is 1 significant figure, 2 significant figure. So you must stop down here. So what is the answer, Ms. Zahira? Zahira is stuck. So you look at the 7 beside it, you plus 1, 0.081. 0.081.
0.081.
Yes, well done. Okay. Congratulations. All right, we are moving on to the next question now. This is question number what is it? Hold on. Okay, I tell you what, you are okay with that so far? All okay? Hey, Ian, okay? Now I'm going to switch back to algebra again. Okay, I just want you to have a taste of it. But what is most important actually in your secondary school life is algebra. Actually. Algebra, if you don't know that, habislah your sec 1. Sec 1, you might not feel it because you still got a lot of primary 6 topics you can still survive with. Sec 2, habis. Sec 3, habis. Sec 4, habis. So we need to make sure that you are able to do the algebra that is given here. So you can turn now to this page. What page is this? Just now we did what page? The algebra for 51. I think this one is 52. You turn to, not 52, not 52. 59, 60. 60. Okay, you try to do number 5. Number 5, you try. Try number 5. Don't be afraid of problem sums. Huh? I want you to, this is like normal rectangle. Normal rectangle. Okay. Zahira sakit kepala ya?
I got my answer.
Okay, what's your answer for your area? What's your area?
3x cm square.
3x cm square. All right. What about anyone else? I don't think it's correct. Mr. Hayen, maybe you can try again. What about Miss Raihana? Hold on now. Let me just wait. Let me see your Raihana. Show me. Okay, Raihana, your working is wonderful. It's correct, but your final product is not. Means you know how to do the correct working. Why are you covering yourself with pillow? You are supposed to be a hair shampoo model. Yes. What's your answer here?
The area is 3x square cm square.
Okay, let's see. What about Zahira? Zahira, what's your answer? Zahira, you're on mute. Zahira, I cannot hear you. Let us hear your sweet voice. Zahira, can or not? Cannot. Okay, never mind. We go through. Okay, they tell us now. Hey, and what is the breath? Hey, what's the breath?
What breath? There's no breath.
The shorter side.
Oh, x.
X. We asked Raihana. Raihana, what's the length? The length they say is 3.
I thought that one is width.
Okay, width can now. Width. Yes, 3x. Okay, so Raihana said 3x. So now, how to find the area, Zahira? Length times breadth lah, or length times width. Okay. Panjang dengan lebar. Okay, you want Malay version. Huh? So now it's 3x times x. Raihana, you got it correct. Hayan got it correct the second time, you know, in terms of the calculation. Remember, number times number. Zahira, number times number, 3. X times x, Zahira. X times x. Zahira, x square. Can see now, Raihana?
X square.
Yeah, so the answer is 3x square. Easy, yeah? Okay, easy, very, very good. If you understand what was being the thing, Hayan, you're okay, right? You self-corrected yourself, right? That means you understand. Well done. Raihana, well done.
Is 3x
square. Yeah, 3x square, cm square. Lah.
cm square.
Yes, because what number is in front of this x, Zahira, what number is in front of this x is 1. Actually, it's 1. 3 times 1 is 3. X times x, remember, is x square. Yeah, x times x is x square. Right? So you must, I think, Zahira, your internet connection is a little bit slow. You may have to use your phone. Okay, now we try, but I'm already using my phone. Okay. All right, we try question number 6. Can you do A, B, C, D, please? A, B, C, and D. All right, you can do this. Okay, you can do it. And Rahana, you're making good progress, Rahana. You should be proud of yourself. Okay. But I can't see you. I do not know what you're doing on the floor. I know it's modern dance or break dancing or whatever. Aduh, this girl. Lying down and all. Okay, you try this first. You try this. Okay, we have only 15 minutes more. Just 15 minutes more. Just bear with it. 15 minutes. Just give me a moment. 1 minute more. 1 minute more. Try your best. 1 minute more.
I've got A and B.
A and B. Try C and D. You can do also. Remember what is 3xy? 3 times x times y. You know what to do. If it's together, means it's times each other. Okay, Rahana, hold on. Let me see your. Okay, thank you. Hold on, wait. Wait. Thank you. We're going to go through it. Well done, Rahana. I think you are making good improvement. Let's see, anyone? Okay. Let us go through now the answer. We are asked, Rahana, for question number 1, you said the answer is 38, right? Let us see whether you're right. So let us see now. In order to do this, I suggest you follow this method. 38, right? Now, how to do? Zahira, hand, like this. Zahira, hand, look, for, when you have the x, you put a bracket. If you know the value, you put the bracket first like that. Plus 9, put the bracket. What put in bracket? Put bracket. Now you put in the value lah. X is 5. Put a 5 here. 9 is minus 2. Put it minus 2 here. 4 times 5, 20. This is times. That is means time. 9 times 2, 18. Plus times minus. Minus. So this is answer is 2. Rahana can see that. Plus times minus is minus. So the answer is 2. The next one now. Next one, do the same thing. 4 bracket minus 9 bracket. So put in the value x is 5. Y is minus 2. 4 times 5, 20 again. Okay, you go number for number. 9 times 2, 18. Minus times minus plus. This one is 38. Okay. Hey, and yours correct, A and B?
Yeah.
Okay, good, Zahira, good. The next one is very simple. Look, we just put in a bracket 3, bracket, bracket. Put what's the bracket? 5, x, y minus 2. Don't worry about the sign first. Let us go for the number first. 3 times 5, 15. 15 times 2, 30. Now you go plus times plus. This is plus times plus. Answer is plus lah. Plus times minus. Answer is minus lah. Minus 30 is the answer. Okay, and the next one. Put again the bracket now. What's the bracket down here? Put the bracket like that over 3. So this one is 5 times minus 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus times minus is minus over 3. You do your long division, get minus 313. Congratulations, Ryan. I think the answer is correct for this one, huh? Minus 313.
So how you do C again?
Okay, C.
Yeah.
C, yeah. Now we look at C. Okay. Good ahead. If you don't know, you must ask. Zahira also same thing. And Ryan, I don't know, must ask. So you see, remember I tell you, we put a 3 down here. X, you put a bracket. Y, you put a bracket. Why we put a bracket? Later we're going to substitute the answer. We're going to put the answer into this 8. So X, the value of X is 5. What's the value of Y? Minus 2. When you have brackets like this, remember it means times. 3 bracket 5 means 3 times 5. Then after that, answer times by minus 2. So we ask here, 3 times 5?
15.
15 times 2?
30.
30. Now you see, this is plus times plus, because there's no sign is plus. Plus times plus?
Minus.
Hey, plus times plus is plus. Plus times minus, then it's minus. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Rahana okay? Yes? Zahira okay? Zahira okay? Zahira tak nak jawab. Aduh, frozen again. Get a new internet connection then. Okay, now we do the next one now. Next one. Next one. 7A, B, C, D. You can do. Remember, this 2 doesn't mean times 2. Look at D. D have a square here. This doesn't mean times 2. It means times itself. Okay, you try now. 7A, B, C, and D. Another All right, 1 minute more, Ken, 1 minute more, you need more time. Okay, we let you, once you're ready, you tell me, okay? Once you're ready, you tell me. All right, are you ready? Hayan, you ready, Hayan? Yes. What about Zahira and Raihana? Okay, we are going to go through lah. All right, let us go through. Okay, you can do this. Okay, never mind. If you feel that you are, wait for a while, wait for a while. Okay, wait for a while. You wait, Oh, you need to see the screen. Okay. I see. Oh, I see. Zahira, you okay? You look very tired, Zahira. Even Inshira, I noticed when she comes for tuition, she looks very tired. Macam there's a lot of masalah. No, right? Must smile a lot. You all must smile a lot in life. You must smile a lot. Like for me, I always smile and laugh a lot. Even when I have problems, I laugh. Then suddenly the problem don't become too big. It becomes small. Okay. All right, Zahira. Zahira. Raihana, I'm gonna start. We have only 5 minutes left. I can see Hayan is nodding his head. Hayan, are you sleepy, Hayan? Yes. No. Are you living alone, Hayan? Do you have a younger brother or sister?
I'm not got
Yes.
older brother and sister.
Older brother, sister. Okay. We have to go now, all right? Here we go. Now, as I said, all you need to do is to have the bracket. So I put 11 minus 11. X, we know the value, we put a bracket here. Minus 2. Y, we know the value, we put the bracket here. Then now you put in the value lah. Minus 4, 7. So take number times number. Okay, number 11 times 4 is 44. Minus times minus becomes plus. So plus 44. 2 times 7, 14. Minus times plus, minus. So the answer here is 30. Hayan, do you get 30?
Yes.
Zahira, you got 30? First one. Raihana got 30, Raihana? Raihana, are you there? You got 30? Do you get 30? You got naughty. Okay. All right. So again, I repeat. You just need to put in the bracket. You see the bracket on here? Now I put in minus 4 inside. So 11 times 4, 44. Minus minus become plus. Then I take the next one, 7, right? I put in 7 here. 2 times 7, 14. Minus times plus, minus. So 44 minus 14, you get 30. Next one, you have a bracket now. So we have to use a different bracket lah. No problem. Same thing now. 5x, we put in the bracket like that. minus 3. Now we use another bracket lah, square bracket lah. We use another bracket, or square bracket like that. Then 7, we use x on here plus y. Y, we also use the bracket. Now we fill in with the values. X is minus 4. X is minus 4. Y is 7. So let us do now, as I told you the other day, if you have two brackets, do the inside bracket first. Algebra, you have to do the inside bracket first. So you got to do this one first. So now 7 times 4, 28. Plus times minus is minus 28 plus 7. Take bigger number minus smaller number, get 21. Follow the sign of the bigger number, minus 21. If you don't understand, here we go. 7 times 4, 28. Plus times minus is minus. So you utang $28, you have $7. You pay, you still utang 21. So now it's like that. 5 to the power of negative 4, minus 4, minus 3. Inside the bracket is minus 21. So now you can do the left to right first. 5 times 4, 20. Plus times minus is minus. Minus here. 3 times 21 is 63. Minus times minus goes plus. 63 minus 20, your answer is 43. Hayan, do you get 43 on question B? Or tired? Zahira, do you get 43 for question B? Tired already? Rahana, you got 43? Oh, no answer. Hello? No. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No, you got 43. Okay. So you see again. If not, you watch the video again. Watch the video again. Okay. I'm now going to go through down here again. Watch. I'm going to wrap out the first one. I'm going to write question C down here. C is x over y. X over 5y plus y over 5x. So I put a bracket down here. X is something minus 4 over 5y. 5 times 7 plus y is 7 over 5 times minus 4. So how to do this one? Okay, here we do. Now here we try. 5 times 7, 35. Minus 4 over 35. Plus 5 times 4, 20. 7 over minus 20. Because plus times minus. Now down here you got plus and minus also. What to do? It becomes 4 minus 4 over 35. This one is the same. This one is the same. This one now, plus and minus, it become minus 7 over 20. Okay. Alamak, all three gone already. So what's your denominator, Mr. Hayen? 140. You times by 4, I think you get 140. Times by 7, times by 7, times by 4. So you get minus 16 over 140. Minus 49. You add together, you get minus 65 over 140. You can reduce, I think. You can divide by 5. You get 28 down here. Divide by 5, you get negative 13. Negative 13 over 28. That's your answer now for C. Hayen, do you get it, Hayen? Your answer, is it same or different? Dah nak pingsan ya. Zahira, you got not?
Yeah, I got answer. I got negative.
Okay. Zahira, do you get? Headache. Zahira got headache. Okay. So x square, the last one, x square. Just put like that, bracket square plus y square, bracket square. So minus 4 and 7. Minus 4 times minus 4, 16. Plus 7 times 7, 49. You plus together, you get 65. Okay, I think you all are tired. Never mind. If you cannot get, you watch the video. The video will upload by Monday lah. Okay, latest I'll upload by Monday. Okay, So thank you very much. We'll see you next Thursday, most probably next Thursday. Raihana, you can make it on Thursday or not? Raihana, you lagging, lagging. Okay, she says she's lagging. Okay, can you make it next Thursday? Yes, no? Your mother say we'll check with your father. Okay, so I will, don't know like that. It's a modern dance. Okay, but anyway, I will liaise with your parents. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.